Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. All right, this is the Tcarp fashion show, which again, never thought would happen. But I wanted to bring to you guys some things that a company has sent me, and the company's name is Fioboc. Now, Fioboc has been an amazing, extremely patient company with me because I haven't reviewed their products right away. They sent these products to me, they sent a first batch or a summer batch to me about 6 months ago. They sent me 2 pairs of jeans and some shirts. Those shirts have been really great. The jeans I have worn 6 months exclusively, and they've absolutely been phenomenal. They've also sent me some winter clothing for that, and we're going to get into that. First off, what I want to say is Fioboc is a men's clothing items, like they focus on men. They primarily focus on their bamboo, stretchy, kind of athletic wear and being able to wear it out and still look good wear. What I'm going to show you, the first thing is kind of part of their winter wear. They've got this 3/4 zip that I'm wearing, and I want to show you guys that. And guys, I really like it. It's heavy. Esque, it feels nice, but it has that really nice, like stretchy. I don't feel constricted in this at all. I'm going to take it off and kind of show you guys how it fits. But basically, I like it. I'm a taller guy. I have a tall torso. It fits exactly where it needs to fit. It kind of fits below the groin area. It covers my rear end, so when I bend over, you don't have any issues there. It's a nice slim fit. And I like the coloration. It's got that nice green color with some browns. Not bad at all. And I'm wearing their one of the shirts they give me, and I'll show you kind of all that. Like all my wardrobe today is Fioboc. So we'll get into it. Hang out with me. I know it's a little bit different, but stay with me, guys. All right, so let's get into this. So this is that 3/4 zip I'm talking about, and this is an extra large. If you're a large guy, you might want to get the extra large because sometimes it can come up a little bit. So I do like the extra large stuff. Again, just the sizing depends on you. Again, this fabric, super stretchy. Let me make this very clear. Look at that. Super stretchy fabric, really nice, really nice. You know, you're not going to feel constricted in this at all. The one thing I like, it doesn't have a whole lot of marketing on it, which that's, you know, I really like that. It's nice, subtle things like that I like. It just doesn't have the brand plastered all over it. Here is the Fioboc brand. Let's see if I can get that to you. Let's see here. There we go. Fioboc. So there's where you can look at that. They also sent me this hoodie, which now the hoodie is really nice. It's nice and gray. Let's try this on and show you kind of what we're looking at here. All right, so with the hoodie, you can definitely tell that it's really nice. Let me see if I can lower this for you and back up. So with this hoodie, you can tell it covers the rear end, covers the front, but I do like the cut. I like that kind of that V cut here. It's not all just a single cut all the way around. It's nice athletic cuts. Multiple cuts is what you want, and I like that a lot. Again, nice, just all around hoodie. You can wear this to the gym. You can wear this to go out to eat. Just a chill hoodie. And you know, like I said, it's nice and stretchy. It's got all the things you need there. It's got the nice hood with the drawstrings if you want. You know, it's just a nice chill hoodie. And again, it's just something that you can wear and put on and whatnot. Now, the cost of this is cheaper than you would pay for like a Nike or Under Armour or anything like that. But the quality, man, the quality is double or triple times the quality of it. Like this is really nice gear. Again, centered around guys, and I just like it. But one thing I also want to talk to you about while I'm here is their jeans. Their jeans, this has been we'll lower this for you guys. Their jeans have been absolutely phenomenal. They these are kind of like the straight cut or jeans, or kind of the tight skinny jeans. The pockets on this are insanely large. I'm a concealed carry guy. I'll show you real quick. Like I said, I'm a concealed carry guy. I can carry my pistol in here. I can carry my lighter. I can carry knife, all that in here. I mean, just extremely easily. That has really nice deep pockets. Like I said, super stretchy. It's got that three-way, four-way stretch. It's that, my wife, I mean, we've washed these over and over and over again. Great products. I think these are like 50, 60 bucks, which again, that's what you're gonna pay anywhere else. So if you're gonna pay that, get you a nice premium quality item. So again, more than these 6 months, had zero issues. Really like the Fioboc pants, really like the Fioboc clothing line. Again, they've been really great. They've sent me several things. And now that I've worn it for 6 months, worn this stuff for a month, it's time to actually tell you guys how it is. And they're good. They're really, really good products. So if you guys want to, and you guys want to look at their stuff, you can check out the link below. Check out all their stuff. Obviously, it's an affiliate link, so we would love to, if you purchase it, please purchase it from that link, and that way I can get a little cheese. But honestly, this stuff has been great. Have had zero issues with it at all. The only thing is you just don't want to wash it and dry it on hot. You know, be smart. Don't shrink your clothes. But other than that, guys, this stuff has been great. Fioboc has been an awesome company to work with, and definitely gonna, you know, you've seen me wear their clothing in other ads, and you just haven't noticed it. But this is good stuff, good chill wear. All right, giving you a little bit more of an in-depth, up close look at this. I mean, again, just really nice zipper construction, zips up and down, really nice and clean. Just nice stuff. And I want to, again, just show you just how far you can stretch this stuff. Really nice, really good items. And that's the quarter zip. So good product. Really do like it. Like that. Let me show you the hoodie real quick. All right, here's that hoodie. Just again, really nice thick construction. Really do like it. Check everything out at Fioboc.com. This is not as stretchy, but again, just nice stitching. I love the fact that it's multiple stitches, just all that fun stuff. So, guys, again, check them out, Fioboc.com, for really good men's clothing and items. Fioboc has been an awesome company to work with, and definitely gonna, you know, you've seen me wear their clothing in other ads, and you just haven't noticed it. But this is good stuff, good chill wear. All right, y'all be good, guys. This is Tcarp signing out.